Hello! Look at these computer parts. We're gonna build a PC today. We are building a mini ITX PC because I wanted something nice and small and compact that I could just kind of like put in my desk and not have to like waste valuable surface space with. Now, okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is, it would work for gaming if you wanted to.
Oh yeah.
But like the graphics card we got here is not.
It's kind of like the bare minimum for AAA titles.
Right.
Essentially.
Because I wanted to build a
Us being generous.
computer, a computer for editing more than anything else. Because I don't really do a whole lot of gaming on my computer. So I wanted something for editing and for videos and photos and design and stuff like that. But the processor is where the real magic happens.
Yeah.
That's where you want all those cores to help process all that 4K footage and stuff like that.
More horrors.
What's first, Tate?
Let's open up that motherboard. shall we?
Motherboard. Okay. Tate is my guru on this thing. I think I can figure it out, I'm sure.
Yeah, that's
We got Catlin behind the cameras today.
Oh, that's good.
He's we got his talents on
So if it looks out of focus, it's me.
that.
Also, touch this before you touch anything else so you don't shock anything.
Is the CPU the next step, or do we do other stuff first?
We can plop the RAM in if you want. That's easy.
I should tell you what I've actually bought here. So, we'll start off with the RAM, which we're trying to figure out which slot to put it in. This is a
A1.
A1.
G.Skill Ripjaws RAM. I'm not the best one to be doing this.
It's
30
fast.
It's fast. It's
right beside you.
32.
You can list them though.
3200 whatevers. We've got an ASRock Fatality Gaming ITX motherboard, GeForce, NVIDIA GTX 1080 Ti graphics card. The big one here is this AMD Ryzen 7 CPU. That was kind of what the build was based around, because I wanted 8 cores. That was like my main thing, and Intel's expensive.
He wanted 8 cores, I gave him 16.
What?
It's just how I am.
Does it actually have 6? No, it doesn't.
Technically.
Does it?
8 cores, 8 threads.
We have a Samsung 960 EVO M2 solid state drive. Very small. Like, there's my thumb.
And there's my thumb.
There's Tate's thumb. So it's like a thumb and a half.
There's a phone.
There's a phone. Very small, very small. This is 250 gigabytes.
250.
And then I've also got
No,
this
it's
other
250.
older hard drive. It's just like a 7200 RPM hard drive that I had in my laptop beforehand.
Did you wipe that? By the way?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
The case is a Thermaltake V1 Cube.
In Snow White edition.
Snow White edition. Good one?
So pop these open,
This
flip it around, yep, and line it up, and you should press it in until it locks in.
Until it clicks?
Yeah. Even pressure. Oh, there you go. Oh, that was a tight fit.
Woo! I wasn't pushing. I was just scared. I didn't want to break anything. All right, we're done, right?
That's it.
That's the computer?
Yep.
All right.
Let's boot it up.
Again, since I'm not doing any gaming, I'm not worried about overclocking or anything like that. So I just got the stock cooler here. I didn't need any sort of liquid cooling. You liquid cooled, didn't you?
Yeah, and I kind of regret it, to be honest.
Do we have to
So-
lift that bar up
Yes, we do, actually.
very carefully?
Touch this quick.
Woo! Did it.
Okay, good. See that gold triangle?
Yeah.
You match it with that triangle in the upper left right there.
Okay.
And you want to be very careful, because if one of these pins bends,
You're done
it's
for?
game over.
I'll let you do this one. That's it?
And then you just pop this down and lock it into place. Your CPU is installed.
Oh!
Oh, that was shaking.
Oh! I was nervous, man.
Put that in slow-mo, you're gonna see me with the shakes. Okay, next, I'd actually suggest doing
Not the cooler?
your little SSD, because that's on the back, isn't it? Let's look.
Let's just jam it in there.
I'm gonna hold it as steady as I can.
I'm gonna jam this thing in as hard as I can.
Don't. Oh, now it's in.
Oh!
No,
Wish I had
It's very
it.
subtly French. So now I gotta be very careful and just lining it up.
So once that
Thermal
stuff
paste.
touches the CPU, you can't lift it back up. I'll get this out of my way. No.
Hey, it's a kid!
Hey, get that kid out of here. Go diagonally, so here, and don't tighten all the way.
Like a starbolt pattern when tightening a car wheels.
Oh, mama. Don't let me down.
I got it.
Okay, now you're gonna want to line up this stuff. Yep. Oh my goodness.
Oh! No worries, mate!
That's a first attempt. If I ever saw one. We like to just wing it around here.
That's how I did most of university. My final presentation to finish my degree, I put together in 10 minutes and didn't practice. We're gonna find out how I did.
Okay. I'm just gonna spread these cables out. There we are. Okay, then we clip this in. One thing about this might be more than one. And then push it in until it clicks just like around.
Okay, that's. We are going to move locations.
Or peel this off, it's bugging me. Oh yeah.
Snug as a bug on a drug.
Oh! Oh, it's the stick. Hit me with that stick. Oh, I didn't fail.
Huh?
do you have any RGB in there?
Got that RGB PTSD.
Okay, we're good.
The fan?
Still going.
Fans on.
Come on, baby.
And it's off. Does it have to load?
Starting Windows.
Apparently there's Windows loaded onto here.
Oh, your hard drive, dude.
Beforehand.
Did you wipe that by the way?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, no, don't start the Sony setup. Oh my god. I don't know.
Okay, so you got 16 gigs of RAM.
Where does that say that? Oh, right there.
16 DDR4.
That's good, so that means that's working.
You have your processor going at 3000, which is what you want.
Alright, so it looks like everything is running fine. We're just installing drivers and stuff to get this beautiful aspect ratio correct. And yeah, is there anything else that we really need to do after that?
No, but you have like 2 hours worth of updates.
Okay. Well, you know what? Look, am I in focus?
Nope.
Okay, so that's going to be it for this video, I think. Leave a like if you like the computer. I think it's pretty cool. It seems to be working just fine. And I'll give you an update on the next video of how everything's going.
Bye.
They weren't.
Yes, it was. You're absolutely